Hello everybody, what's up? It's Vlad over here and I'm back with a new video. Listen, something that I've been talking about lately is conscious marketing. I'm really about conscious marketing. When I finished my advertising career, which lasted for less than 6 months at Havas, Chicago, I realized that I had a passion for marketing. And I had a passion of having an eagle's view over certain projects, certain brands, and basically the reason was marketing kind of starts the process a lot earlier than advertising does. Advertising is simply a part of a marketing strategy. And so I wanted to have a bit of a say in the overall picture, much more than I wanted to have a say in the final version of an ad. And so I started learning a bit about marketing, and pretty soon I found out that there's a lot of people out there who, just like I did at the beginning, have a different idea of what marketing is, other than what it actually is, like in real life. Let me explain that a bit better. A lot of people believe that marketing is about selling and promoting yourself, when in fact it couldn't be further away from the truth. Selling is sales, right? And promoting yourself is advertising. So those are two different things. Marketing is completely different. But I believe because there's so many notions about marketing mixed in the world of marketing, we have to kind of distinguish ourselves. Hence, disruptive marketing, inbound marketing. Those kind of marketing are separating themselves from the traditional marketing in as they are trying to do stuff differently. Inbound marketing is the kind of marketing that it's a marketing strategy in where you create tons of good content, or you create an online presence that is so prominent and valuable that people come to you and ask for advice, help, or they want to hire you. While disruptive marketing is a bit of like doing stuff differently, right? Doing stuff that's very, very different to the rest of the industry, to the rest of the marketing that's out there. And I believe that there's one last type of marketing that's kind of missing from this list, and that's conscious marketing. Now, what do I mean by conscious marketing? Do you know, if you're a creative or a coach or somebody who sells a service that is very beneficial to people, we oftentimes have, and I had this as well, we oftentimes have the problem of we are fearing sales. We fear sales. We don't like to sound salesy. We fear that if we go out there and promote ourselves and talk about the project that we're working on or the services that we offer, that we're going to sound salesy. And many times that is due to the fact that we're placing our message in the wrong place at the wrong time in front of the wrong people. Okay? So marketing, conscious marketing for me has to do a lot with starting with value. And in short terms, conscious marketing is finding and being the right opportunity for the right person at the right time. Because if any one of those is out of line, if you're the right opportunity for the right person at the wrong time when they don't have enough money, nobody's going to buy. If you have the right opportunity for the wrong person at the correct time, they're not going to buy it. They're not going to be interested in it. And if you don't have the right opportunity, but you have the people and the time, well, then it means that you have to do something better on your side. But conscious marketing is not just that. Conscious marketing is taking messages, brands, and values that you truly believe are going to do a good for the world, that they're generating some sort of value that is not only going to benefit them, but it's also going to benefit the other person, and amplifying those messages that you find truly valuable and authentic, right? So it's also taking a stand for what you believe is right. And I cannot tell you what kind of causes are right or wrong. That is for you to decide. But for me, conscious marketing is simply amplifying the voices of the projects that truly need to be amplified. And yes, that doesn't require a degree of judgment on your own side and decision making on your own side. But I believe that if we all have a certain set of values that we adhere to, conscious marketing is going to be a great guide for everybody to do that. So if you're afraid of selling, if you are afraid of marketing yourself, if you're afraid of promoting yourself on social media, you can adapt the principles of conscious marketing, which I want to talk to you about, and become that person that is comfortable going around and offering help, offering value, knowing that that's going to eventually come back and be in a form of, somebody hiring you, or just somebody sharing the word of mouth that this person is great help and brings a lot of value to the community. So don't forget, conscious marketing is the way that creative people and people that are very conscious about what they do, what they eat, you're conscious about not advertising and not spamming people and wanting to do better, wanting to change the industry and the way life is. I think this is for you. I think conscious marketing is for you. So don't sleep on conscious marketing. Be the right opportunity for the right person at the right time. I'll see you there.